Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, so hopefully you guys haven't forgotten me, but I got a sick video for you guys today. So before jumping into today's video, I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update on the A4 wagon build. So far, I've just been stocking up parts. I'm gonna start that build as soon as the weather improves. We're just a few weeks away from kickstarting the whole project and it's gonna be dope. So anyway, I posted on my Instagram a few weeks ago actually that I'd be making a build compilation video for the BRZ, and it took me a lot longer than I thought to make an edit that I was actually happy with. So here we go. So it's the first week of March, winter's coming to an end. I'll be pulling the BRZ back out from winter storage in a few weeks. I haven't seen the car since November, so it was really fun making this video and reliving all the memories. So just some background info on the car since I don't have it with me. I bought the car brand new back in the summer of 2018 with 7 kilometers on the clock. My boys taught me how to drive manual and we modded the car together ever since I finished doing the engine break-in. So fast forward till today, we have about 3.5 years worth of clips and around 4 phases that the car has evolved through to show you guys in this video. So it was really amazing seeing the progress of this build while making the edit. And as you guys know, the project will not stop. The build does not end. As soon as the car is back here at my house, we're gonna get right back to it. You know, I got big things planned as always. Actually, hold on, let me show you guys my PC. This thing is sick. So I built this PC a few months ago. I've been using it for gaming and editing. Man, this thing is a beast. It's got an i9-11900K. It's got an RTX 3080, 32 gigs of RAM. It's got a 2 terabyte M2 SSD. It's got a ton of RGB, everything linked through Corsair, liquid cooler, what are these called? Lian Li Streamer Plus extension cable things, whatever. Yeah, I'm happy with this. This is the first PC I built in a long time and came out pretty sick. But as you guys can tell, the video is a little bit longer than 10 minutes. I tried to keep it as close to 10 as I could while keeping all the fun stuff in there. You know, 3.5 years worth of clips. So you're getting a lot more than you paid for. And you actually paid nothing, so this video is free. Anyone else is free? A like, a comment, and a sub if you guys enjoyed the video. So thanks for watching.
Almost crashed though.
How do you preload this? The group ass mother flipping strike fight. It's the old versus new. I can't even find the damn OBD plug.
I can't see, my eyes are closed.
Yeah, you're perfect.
Front is like right on this line, right?
Yeah,
And
same.
the back is like
Oh, it's just
a little. All right. So this is the compressor housing. The back we have the pulley, and if you want to make it more boost, you just replace the pulley with a smaller pulley. Now, how sick is this gonna look? Right inside here, you won't even be able to tell. Hey, look at all that room for activities. Hey, all right. Got the actual blower hooked up right now. You can see it's shoots all of the air through the tubing all the way down here. All the air passing through, it's getting compressed during this whole process. Goes back up through the tubing. So I got my dongle, got my laptop sitting on my lap. I'm gonna get everything set up.
Asko made it up.
Oh my god. Man, I'm gonna mess this so much. Look how aggressive it looks. Ugh. Some catback made from a valve muffler. Man, look, it lights up to let you know everything's powered and ready to go. And check this out. So that's open. That's closed. Let me give you guys a quick rev with the valves closed. And if I press the button. So it's actually working really well. I'm super happy with this. nice and snug. I doubt we need the hardware because of how tight. Everything's in there well, snug, nothing's moving. So yeah. You guys ready for the reveal?